Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two top-notch robotic vacuum cleaners with mopping capabilities. In one corner, we have the Roborock Q7 Max Plus, and in the other corner, we have the Roomba Combo J5. Let's dive into the features and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the most important aspect for many consumers, the price. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus comes with a price tag of $869, while the Roomba Combo J5 is priced at $599. It's clear that the Roomba Combo J5 offers a more affordable option for those on a budget. Now let's talk about convenience. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus features an auto-empty dock Pure, which automatically empties the robot after cleanup. With its 2.5L dust bag, it can store up to 7 weeks of debris. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 does not have an auto-empty dock, so if you value hands-free cleaning, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus has the edge. When it comes to suction power, both models are impressive. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus boasts a powerful 4,200 pascals suction, making it highly effective at lifting debris and pet hair from various surfaces. The Roomba Combo J5 also offers powerful performance with its 4-stage cleaning system. It pulls in dirt, debris, and pet hair from wherever it hides, so in terms of suction power, it's a tie. Now let's talk about the ability to vacuum and mop simultaneously. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus allows you to vacuum and mop at the same time, ensuring a deeper clean. With its electronic pump and 30 water flow levels, you can fine-tune the cleaning process to match your floor type and preferences. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 also offers the option to vacuum and mop, leaving your hard floors shiny and dust-free. So, both models provide the convenience of vacuuming and mopping, giving you a tie in this category. Navigation is crucial for efficient cleaning. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus features PreciSense Litter Navigation, which creates precise maps of your home, tracks cleaning routes, and offers a wide range of smart cleaning functions. You can even view the maps in 3D and recreate your home virtually. The Roomba Combo J5, on the other hand, uses advanced navigation and 2 cleaning passes to navigate your home in neat, efficient rows, ensuring a thorough clean. So, both models excel in navigation, resulting in a tie. Battery life is an essential factor to consider. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus boasts a supersized battery that powers the robot for up to 180 minutes of runtime, covering a maximum vacuuming range of 3,229 SQFT. The Roomba Combo J5, however, doesn't specify its battery life, but is compatible with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal, allowing for up to 60 days of worry-free vacuuming. While the Roomba Combo J5 offers a longer maintenance-free period, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus provides a longer runtime, so it's a tie in this category based on your preferences. According to Amazon reviews, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus has received positive feedback. Reviewers mention that it is good at recognizing and navigating around obstacles, effectively vacuums pet hair, and easily climbs transitions in the home. However, it still struggles with rugs and low-pile carpets. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 has mixed reviews. While some reviewers praise its thorough cleaning and ability to navigate around obstacles, others mention that it can be noisy, startle users when running, and often bumps into furniture. Overall, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus has a more positive overall assessment compared to the Roomba Combo J5. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Roborock Q7 Max Plus and the Roomba Combo J5. Both models have their strengths and offer excellent features to make your cleaning routine easier. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus shines with its auto-empty dock and powerful suction, while the Roomba Combo J5 impresses with its affordability and compatibility with the Clean Base. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your specific needs and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you make a smarter buying decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Buy Smart for more product comparisons. See you next time.